Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to schedule and send a GIF on Telegram using the latest update. If you've ever wanted your message to land at the perfect time, this is a simple trick that makes a big difference. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on your main chat screen. Next, head into the conversation where you want to send the GIF. It can be a private chat, a group, or even a channel if you have permission to post there. Once you're inside the chat, tap on the emoji icon next to the message field. This opens up your emojis, stickers, and GIF options all in one place. Now switch over to the GIF section. Scroll through the available GIFs or use the search bar to find something specific that fits your message. When you find the GIF you want, don't just tap it. Instead, tap and hold on the GIF. This is the key step that many people miss. Holding it down brings up additional options. From the menu that appears, select Schedule. This opens a scheduling window where you can pick exactly when you want your GIF to be sent. Choose the date and time that works best for you. Whether it's later today, tomorrow morning, or even days in advance, Telegram gives you full control. After setting your preferred time, simply confirm by tapping Send. Your GIF is now scheduled and will be delivered automatically at the time you selected. And that's it. It's a quick and easy way to stay consistent, plan ahead, or surprise someone at just the right moment. Try it out and see how much smoother your messaging can become.